Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm the Crazy Cat Lady here, and I have something different to show you. I got it a couple of weeks ago and I definitely am excited to show you. It's the Loot Fright Crate. It doesn't say it on here, but I have to show you. It is like a horror type of box. I am so excited because I love scary horror type of films, and I just figure I'll get it, and it's something different to show you all and see how you like it. And let's see. And I have my little headband. I'm cold. It's cold today and dreary and yucky. So let me see if I can open this up. Oh, there we go. So ooh, it just shows you it's not. There you go. That's what it looks like. So let's dig in here and see what's all about. First, right off, is a scary monster dude, Godzilla. He's a stuffed animal. Let's see. Ooh, look at how cute. Little stuffed animal Godzilla. Roar. Isn't he cute? And he has like these spines. Really adorable. Hello. So I got that. I got this Ghostbusters loot pin. I'll have to take this out and show you. Ooh, I love that. Get into focus. Ghostbusters loot pin. It's like a scary demon looking face. Demon face. The horns. That's what it looks like. Alright, and then I have shot glasses of Doom. I collect shot glasses, so this is really cool. Really cool. So let's see what these look like. Oh, they're plastic. That's okay. They're plastic. And they look like bullets to me. If I can get it out. Oh my lord. I don't want to have you get it out. Yeah, it looks like a bullet. Doom. That's what it says, Doom. Looks like a bullet. But I use them for, I collect them. So, with that said, I got those. And then I got these. What the heck is going on? What is this? Oh, this is like Captain America socks with, I forgot who she was now. Really cute socks. Really adorable. Love these. But these are not Fright. This is more Marvel. That's okay, I'll take it. Because this is supposed to be a Fright Loot Crate. Drain stopper. What the heck? Jaws. Alright, let's see what's going on in this one. A drain stopper. I'm interested now. Now you got my attention when it comes to Jaws. Alright, let's see. And I need a drain stopper because, oh, this is interesting. It has like jaws coming up as you put it right down, and that's how it'll look. Isn't that cool? Jane, and then see, really cool. I need this. It's a drain stopper for your sink. Definitely need this. So I'll leave that guy out. I need him. And this a book. School Live. I don't even know what this. Oh, it's like a little cartoon. But to me, it's not like frightening or anything. I want something frightening. This book. I don't know. To me, oh, it's a Loot Crate exclusive, but this is supposed to be Fright Loot Crate. I got 2 items that don't belong in the Fright Loot Crate. I mean, like I got Doom. Doom to me is Marvel, right? Doom. And then I got these Marvel socks. So they almost like mix and match different crates together. Because some of it, like, okay, Godzilla to me, that's frightening. And Jaws. Let's see what else I got. Okay, Evil Dead 2. That makes sense. So really, I'm kind of disappointed in this crate because I got the Fright Crate, not like School Life. So I got Evil Dead 2. I don't even know what the hell this is. What is this? I don't know. I have to see what this is. What is this? So far, Noah's looking at my products. All right, let's see what this thing is. Oh, these are like little figures. Oh, okay. I have to show you this. Now this is cool. I'll have to show you. And they have like a little stand. Oh, you can make like a little, oh, this is cute. I have to put it, let me put it together and show you what this is. Now this makes more sense. Okay. Let's see. Let me put this together for you all. Noah's collecting stuff for his room. Okay. I'm just gonna put this together. I have to show you. Hold on. I have all kinds of stuff here. Okay. Alright. Okay. Let me get this guy together. Okay, well, let me show you these individual because I don't think you're gonna see this guy. Let me put it together first and then I'll take it apart. How is this? Oh crap, what did I break it now? Alright. For some odd reason, Noah came back and took the Godzilla. Noah, I need to do a recap on that.
Oh my god, yo. I gotta recap. Yo, what you have to do? Oh, I have to recap it.
Okay, anyways, this is how it's supposed to look. Is this Evil Dead 2. It has like a little platform and the creepy guy, zombie, getting him. And then it has the clock in the background. See if you could see it better this way. Really cute. That is not a disappointment. So far, like the Jaws, this, the Godzilla, the shot glasses are not bad, even if they're, and this is Tetris. Okay, this doesn't, oh my god, these are sheet magnets. This is usable, but this doesn't belong in the Fright Crate. So overall, my opinion of this crate, I am not impressed. I do like some of the items in it, like this, you know, these little cute characters, but it's not really worth the money. It's supposed to be Fright. And when I looked it up online, it showed like the trick-or-treat guy with a sack on his face and a lollipop and the scary stuff. And they say, okay, Fright Crate, and they showed all the scary stuff that's supposed to be in the Fright Crate. This is like a mix and match crate. This one, I thought it was supposed to be Fright for me. It has Marvel. Couple of things are Marvel, like the shot glasses are Marvel, these socks are Marvel, They have like this frightening little thing, you know, you can put it on here and make a little stand-up thing. And the stopper is useful. That's Jaws, that's frightening. But the book is not frightening. The book is actually, I don't know what that is. It's like a Japanese type of book. I don't know. So overall, I am not really impressed. I did get it for a cheaper price, thank God. But I'm not gonna, definitely not gonna get this again. I'm actually really disappointed because I thought it was going to be some scary, spooky stuff, like a scary video, a shirt that's scary, because I did put my size in. So overall, I'm not liking it. But I just wanted to try it out because I thought I was getting something else. I thought I was getting the actual Fright Crate, which I ordered, but whatever. But overall, I do like the socks. I'm not saying I don't like it. They are very useful. It's just not what I expected. So anyways, tell me your thoughts of this crate, on what you liked about it and what you thought about it. And comment below and let me know. But for me, I'm not really impressed. I really, you know, what they pictured for the Fright Crate was like a t-shirt, a video, like a scary, like Elm Street guy, you know, something very scary. I mean, this is cool, this is scary, this I can see, but this is really the only thing that this and the Jaws, you know, thought it was cute. It's just this random junk, really. So, and Tetris don't belong in there either. It's not a 80s box or 90s box. So, with all that said, thank you all for being here and have an awesome day. And remember to subscribe and hit the like button. And I'll see you on the next one. Have an awesome day and remember to be yourself and love yourself.